Okay, welcome back to our word building workshop. And today, in this sound and say lesson, we're going to need the following letters and sounds. So get that letter out, D. If you should have a capital, also get a common letter D out. The vowel A, you're going to need that also. X, N, and W, okay? So make sure you have these cards out for this lesson. Pause the video until you get them, and remember, you're going to watch and do and learn. And we learn by practicing, right? So get these letters out, and then we will begin our sound and say lesson. All right, welcome back. You got it. Now remember, these sounds are so incredible because letters represent sounds and words are made up of these sounds. And we blend the sounds together and we get the word. Remember? So each letter stands for a sound. Remember the sound? Ah, D, X, D, W, W, Okay? So these are the letter names, but the sounds are different. Well, let's see if we can build some words. And if you remember from our last lesson, we had the sound ah, and then we had and we made the word an, remember? An, by putting these two sounds together. Now we're going to add a third sound and create a new word. Are you ready? Hopefully, put these together on your desk. Now take your third letter, D, and put it together here at the front. And what do we have? D, D, We now have three letters and three sounds, but one word. Let's put it together now. Blend those sounds. Dan. So I don't say D-an. I can sound it out that way, but when I say the word, I'm going to blend these sounds. Dan. And Dan is someone's name, and so we capitalize it. Dan. Dan. One word, three sounds. Isn't that wonderful? Well, build that word with me. And perhaps you have a friend whose name is Dan. Isn't that great? Okay, now we're going to create another word. We're going to move this N out of the way, this N, that stands for N, and we're going to put another D, Dad. Blend it together now. Let's push them all together. And what do we have? Dad. So you see, we made the word dad by adding a D at the end and a D at the beginning and an A in the middle. Dad. That's our word, dad. Now watch this. Oh, did you make this word? Please make it with me, okay? Terrific. Then we're going to write them down later. So now that you've made dad, let's move dad out of the way. And guess what we're left with? Another word. Add. One word, now we just have two sounds. And this ad, well, you can advertise something on television, but it's add. Okay. Wow, let's leave our vowel sound there. And we're going to add a W to the beginning. And that's going to be w. The W will stand for w. And we'll say w-a. Oh, we need another word. We need another letter. X. W-a-x. Wax. So you see, we've made another word. Wax. Okay, take a moment and put this word together. W-a-x. Wax. The word is wax. Wonderful. You've done a great job. Wax. Okay. So now we've created some new words by adding new sounds. We're building words with sounds. These letters stand for what? Say it with me. Letters stand for sounds. Letters represent sounds, and words are built with sounds. So when you hear the word wax, you go, that's wax. Oh, that's wax. And you can actually write the word wax now because you know that the sound w stands for W, the sound a stands for A, and the sound x stands for X. Well done. Great job.